Ao, the Great Pie-Sharing Adventure. A cheerful, vibrant town called Numeria, filled with friendly characters like Alice the Inventor, Max the Explorer, and a group of talking animals, Bunny, Squirrel, and Owl. Alice invents a giant pie to celebrate Numeria's annual Pie Day. The pie is enormous, almost as big as a house. Alice, excited, calls all her friends to help divide the pie evenly among the townspeople. Max, Bunny, Squirrel, and Owl are excited, but wonder how they will cut the pie into smaller portions. The townspeople start to gather, but the pie is so big that Alice realizes they might run out of pieces if they don't divide it properly. The challenge. Alice calls on her friends to help. We need to share this pie with exactly 12 people. She says. Max suggests cutting it into 12 equal parts, but how can they do that with no tools? Alice then explains the concept of division. Division is like sharing. If we have 12 pieces and 12 people, how many pieces does each person get? She asks. They use a fun, oversized calculator in the middle of the town square. Alice demonstrates the division problem. 12 divided by 12 equals 1. Max says, let's try dividing it into smaller portions. They divide the pie first into 6 pieces. Then Alice asks how many pieces each person would get if there were 6 people. Max says, each person gets 1/6 of the pie. The cartoon characters interact with the pie, using large hands to divide it into parts and explain how the division works. Suddenly, more townspeople arrive. Max counts and finds 18 people. Now they must figure out how to divide the pie for everyone. Alice quickly uses division again. 12 divided by 18 equals 2 per P3. She shows them how they can divide the pie into smaller portions using the same method. In the end, everyone gets a fair share of the pie, and they all celebrate how division helped them share. Max, Owl, Bunny, and Squirrel each get their small portions, and Alice gives a quick recap. See? Division helps us share things evenly. Division is now TMT, just about numbers. TM's about fairness and making sure everyone gets their fair share. Lallis using a giant pie chart to explain division, the animals and townspeople smiling as they get their fair share, bright, lively colors with exaggerated, fun reactions to dividing the pie, e.g. eyes popping out when they realize they get a share. This cartoon story will help kids understand division in an entertaining and relatable way.